Elon Musk has a knack for making the impossible possible. Electric cars, reusable rockets, and now he's tackling the internet. His company SpaceX is launching thousands of satellites into low Earth orbit. This is Starlink, a project aiming to blanket the Earth with high-speed internet access. It's a bold ambition, one that could reshape the digital landscape as we know it. Imagine a world where internet access is no longer a luxury. Starlink promises to connect the unconnected, bridging the digital divide that separates billions from the online world. Remote villages, disaster-stricken areas, even airplanes and ships at sea, all could gain access to reliable, high-speed internet. The implications are staggering, potentially revolutionizing everything from education and healthcare to business and entertainment. But Starlink is not without its challenges. Launching and maintaining a constellation of thousands of satellites is a complex and costly endeavor. Space debris, signal interference, and regulatory hurdles are just a few of the obstacles SpaceX must overcome. And then there's the competition. Other tech giants are also vying for a piece of the space internet pie, creating a race to dominate this emerging market. The stakes are high. Starlink has the potential to disrupt the telecommunications industry, challenging traditional internet providers and creating new opportunities for innovation. It could also have profound geopolitical implications as control over internet infrastructure becomes increasingly important in the 21st century. The future of global connectivity hangs in the balance, and Starlink is at the forefront of this technological revolution. Starlink is not your grandfather's satellite internet. Traditional satellite internet systems rely on large geostationary satellites orbiting far above Earth. These satellites provide wide coverage but suffer from high latency, making them unsuitable for activities like online gaming or video conferencing. Starlink takes a different approach. SpaceX's Starlink satellites are much smaller and orbit much closer to Earth, in low Earth orbit, LEO. This significantly reduces latency, bringing it closer to that of terrestrial fiber optic cables. The satellites are also equipped with advanced phased array antennas that allow them to focus their beams and deliver high bandwidth to users on the ground. To manage this vast network, SpaceX has developed sophisticated software and ground infrastructure. Users connect to the Starlink network using a small, user-friendly dish that automatically tracks the satellites as they move across the sky. The system is designed to be plug-and-play, making it easy for anyone to access high-speed internet regardless of their location. Starlink's technology represents a significant leap forward in satellite internet capabilities. It offers a compelling alternative to traditional internet providers, especially in areas where terrestrial infrastructure is limited or non-existent. As SpaceX continues to launch more satellites and refine its technology, Starlink's performance is only expected to improve, further blurring the lines between satellite and terrestrial internet. Starlink's potential impact extends far beyond providing faster internet to urban dwellers. Its true power lies in its ability to connect the unconnected, bridging the digital divide that separates billions from the opportunities of the online world. Imagine remote villages in developing countries where internet access is scarce or non-existent. For these communities, Starlink could be a game changer. It could provide access to online education, telemedicine, e-commerce, and countless other resources that were previously out of reach. Students could access online learning platforms, patients could consult with doctors remotely, and businesses could connect with global markets. Starlink could also play a vital role in disaster relief efforts. In the aftermath of natural disasters, terrestrial internet infrastructure is often damaged or destroyed. Starlink's satellite network could provide a lifeline for emergency responders and affected communities, enabling communication, coordination, and access to critical information. The humanitarian potential of Starlink is immense. By connecting the unconnected, Starlink could empower individuals, communities, and entire nations, fostering economic development, improving healthcare outcomes, and enhancing quality of life. It's a testament to the transformative power of technology and its ability to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Starlink is not just a technological marvel, it's also a shrewd business venture. SpaceX recognizes the immense market potential of global internet connectivity, and it's aggressively pursuing partnerships and revenue streams to capitalize on this opportunity. The company is collaborating with governments, businesses, and organizations worldwide to expand Starlink's reach and impact. One key area of focus is partnerships with telecommunications companies. Starlink can serve as a backhaul solution for telecom providers, extending their coverage to remote areas and providing additional bandwidth to meet growing demand. This allows telecom companies to expand their customer base and offer more competitive services. Another promising avenue is partnerships with airlines and cruise lines. Starlink's low-latency, high-bandwidth internet service is ideal for providing in-flight and at-sea connectivity, enhancing the passenger experience and creating new revenue opportunities for these industries. Imagine streaming movies, playing online games, or video conferencing with colleagues while soaring through the air or cruising across the ocean. Starlink is also exploring partnerships with governments and military organizations. The U.S. military, for example, is testing Starlink for its potential to provide secure and reliable communications for troops in the field. Other governments are considering Starlink for disaster response, remote sensing, and other applications that require robust internet connectivity. These partnerships are not only expanding Starlink's footprint, but also generating significant revenue for SpaceX. As the Starlink constellation grows and its service offerings expand, the company is poised to become a major player in the global internet market, challenging traditional telecom giants and shaping the future of connectivity. Section 5. The race to space competitors emerge. SpaceX is not alone in its pursuit of space internet dominance. Other tech giants are also vying for a piece of this lucrative market, creating a race to deploy satellite constellations and capture market share. Amazon, with its Project Kuiper, is one of the most formidable competitors. Amazon plans to launch over 3,000 satellites into low Earth orbit, creating a network similar in scale and ambition to Starlink. The company is leveraging its vast resources and expertise in cloud computing, logistics, and customer service to build a compelling offering. Other players include OneWeb, a UK-based company that has already launched hundreds of satellites, and Telesat, a Canadian company with a long history in satellite communications. These companies are focusing on specific market niches, such as providing connectivity to remote areas, maritime vessels, and government agencies. The emergence of these competitors is intensifying the race to space, driving innovation, and pushing the boundaries of satellite technology. It's also creating a more competitive landscape for customers, with more choices and potentially lower prices for internet service. The ultimate winner of this space race will be the company that can best balance technological prowess, business acumen, and customer satisfaction. Section 6. Starlink's growing footprint, expanding coverage and capacity. SpaceX is moving at breakneck speed to expand Starlink's coverage and capacity. The company is launching new batches of satellites every few weeks, steadily increasing the size of its constellation and extending its reach to more regions of the globe. As of November 2023, Starlink has launched over 4,000 satellites with plans to deploy thousands more in the coming years. This rapid expansion is translating into wider availability and improved performance for Starlink users. The service is now available in over 60 countries, with coverage expanding to more remote areas and higher latitudes. Users are reporting download speeds that rival or exceed those of traditional broadband providers, with latency low enough to support demanding applications like online gaming and video conferencing. SpaceX is also investing heavily in ground infrastructure to support its growing network. The company is building ground stations around the world to connect its satellites to the internet backbone, ensuring seamless connectivity for users. It's also developing new technologies to improve signal processing, network management, and customer support. This relentless focus on expansion and improvement is a hallmark of SpaceX's approach to innovation. The company is constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, driven by Elon Musk's ambition to revolutionize the space industry and bring the benefits of space technology to the masses. As Starlink's footprint continues to grow, its impact on global connectivity will only become more profound. Section 7. The price of progress, concerns, and controversies. Starlink's rapid rise has not been without its share of concerns and controversies. Critics have raised valid points about the potential downsides of this ambitious project, ranging from environmental impacts to ethical considerations. Addressing these concerns is crucial for ensuring the responsible development and deployment of space internet technology. One major concern is the proliferation of space debris. Launching thousands of satellites into orbit increases the risk of collisions, creating more debris that could threaten other satellites and even the International Space Station. SpaceX is taking steps to mitigate this risk, such as equipping its satellites with collision avoidance systems and deorbiting them at the end of their lifespan. Another concern is the potential for light pollution. The sheer number of Starlink satellites, each reflecting sunlight, has raised concerns among astronomers about interference with ground-based observations. SpaceX is experimenting with darker coatings for its satellites to reduce their reflectivity, but the long-term impact on astronomical research remains to be seen. There are also concerns about the potential for misuse of Starlink's technology. Some worry that the network could be used for surveillance or censorship, especially in countries with restrictive internet policies. SpaceX maintains that it is committed to providing open and accessible internet, but the company's relationship with governments and its ability to control access to its network raise legitimate questions. Addressing these concerns requires a multifaceted approach involving international cooperation, industry collaboration, and ongoing dialogue between stakeholders. The benefits of space internet are undeniable, but it's essential to proceed with caution, ensuring that technological progress does not come at the expense of environmental sustainability, scientific integrity, or human rights. Section 8. The Future of Connectivity. Starlink's Vision. Starlink is not just about providing internet access, it's about shaping the future of connectivity. Elon Musk envisions a world where high-speed internet is available to everyone, everywhere, enabling new possibilities for communication, collaboration, and innovation. This vision extends beyond Earth, encompassing ambitions for interplanetary exploration and colonization. One key aspect of Starlink's vision is democratizing access to information and opportunity. By bridging the digital divide, Starlink aims to empower individuals and communities, fostering economic development, improving healthcare outcomes, and enhancing quality of life. Imagine a world where students in remote villages have the same access to online education as their counterparts in major cities. Another aspect is fostering global collaboration and understanding. With seamless connectivity across borders, Starlink could facilitate communication and collaboration between people from different cultures and backgrounds, promoting cross-cultural understanding and addressing global challenges collectively. Imagine scientists from around the world collaborating in real time on research projects, sharing data and insights effortlessly. Starlink's vision also extends to space exploration. The company plans to use its satellite network to provide communication and navigation services for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This could enable real-time communication with astronauts, remote control of rovers and other equipment, and even the streaming of high-definition video from other planets. Starlink's vision is ambitious and far-reaching, but it's rooted in a belief in the transformative power of technology to improve the human condition. By connecting the world and extending connectivity beyond Earth, Starlink aims to create a future where everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital age and explore the cosmos. Section 9. Beyond Earth, Starlink's role in interplanetary exploration. Elon Musk's ambitions extend far beyond Earth. He envisions a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, colonizing Mars and other celestial bodies. Starlink, with its global internet connectivity, could play a crucial role in realizing this vision. Imagine a future Martian colony, bustling with activity as humans establish a new home on the Red Planet. Communication with Earth is essential for coordinating missions, sharing data, and maintaining a sense of connection with the homeworld. Starlink's satellite network could provide the backbone for this interplanetary communication system. The low latency of Starlink's network would enable near real-time communication with Mars, minimizing the delays that plague traditional deep space communication systems. This would allow for more interactive collaboration between Earth-based teams and Martian colonists, facilitating scientific research, engineering projects, and even social interactions. Starlink could also provide navigation services for spacecraft traveling to and from Mars. The constellation's global coverage and precise positioning capabilities could enhance the accuracy and efficiency of interplanetary navigation, reducing travel times and improving mission safety. Furthermore, Starlink's network could be adapted to provide internet connectivity on the Martian surface. This would allow colonists to access information, communicate with each other, and even stream entertainment content, creating a more connected and vibrant Martian society. By extending its reach beyond Earth, Starlink could become an indispensable tool for interplanetary exploration and colonization. It's a testament to Elon Musk's grand vision of humanity's future in space and the transformative potential of technology to make it a reality. Section 10. A new era of innovation, SpaceX's legacy. SpaceX's Starlink project is not just about internet connectivity, it's about ushering in a new era of innovation in the space industry. The company's bold approach to technology development, its relentless pursuit of ambitious goals, and its willingness to challenge the status quo are inspiring a generation of entrepreneurs and engineers to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. Starlink's success is a testament to SpaceX's core values of innovation, speed, and affordability. The company's ability to rapidly develop and deploy advanced technologies at a fraction of the cost of traditional space programs is disrupting the industry and opening up new possibilities for space exploration and utilization. SpaceX's focus on reusability is another key driver of innovation. By developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, the company is dramatically reducing the cost of access to space, making it more feasible for businesses, researchers, and even individuals to participate in the space economy. Starlink's impact extends beyond the space industry. The technologies developed for the project, such as advanced satellite communication systems, high-bandwidth antennas, and sophisticated network management software, have applications in other fields, including telecommunications, disaster response, and scientific research. SpaceX's legacy will be one of audacious innovation, pushing the limits of technology to achieve ambitious goals and inspire a new generation of space explorers. Starlink is just one example of the company's groundbreaking work, but it's a powerful symbol of its commitment to shaping the future of space exploration and bringing the benefits of space technology to all of humanity. Section 11. Conclusion: Starlink's enduring impact. Elon Musk's Starlink is more than just a satellite internet constellation. It's a technological revolution with the potential to reshape the digital landscape and redefine our relationship with space. Its impact will be felt across industries, societies, and even on other planets as humanity ventures further into the cosmos. Starlink's promise of global internet connectivity has the power to bridge the digital divide, empowering individuals and communities with access to information, education, and economic opportunities. It can transform disaster response, enabling rapid communication and coordination in the wake of natural disasters. It can even enhance the passenger experience on airplanes and cruise ships, providing seamless connectivity for work and entertainment. But Starlink's impact goes beyond these immediate benefits. It represents a paradigm shift in the space industry, demonstrating the power of innovation, speed, and affordability to achieve ambitious goals. It inspires a new generation of entrepreneurs and engineers to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. As SpaceX continues to expand Starlink's constellation and refine its technology, its impact on global connectivity will only become more profound. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in space exploration and utilization, one where space technology is no longer the exclusive domain of governments and large corporations, but is accessible to all. Starlink's enduring legacy will be its role in democratizing access to space, connecting the world, and inspiring a new generation of space explorers to reach for the stars. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead as we venture further into the cosmos.